Hello guys, welcome back to Kadini Flavors YouTube channel. So thank you so much for the continued support. If it's your first time, remember subscribing, liking and sharing. So stay tuned for this amazing recipe, a brown vanilla cake. Yes, so this cake is good for those who are diabetic, who has issues with sugar or the type of flour. So we are just using the brown flour, wheat flour, that is the Atta one. Yes, and we're also reducing the content of the sugar. So come with me, we start the recipe. We have 100 grams of sugar, 210 grams of Prestige, 250 ml maziwa mala, some vanilla flavor, 3 eggs, my brown wheat flour, that is for 20 grams, some baking powder, 3/4 tablespoon, and some cinnamon. So I'll just start by mixing. So you mix your Prestige and sugar. You mix well. Wow. You mix until everything is smooth. Prestige yangu ni ngumu. Ensure everything is well mixed. There are no sugar particles. I'm still mixing. As you can see, it's almost ready. I love it. Instead of sugar, you can use honey, the same amount, grams. After this, you come in with your eggs, one at a time. One egg at a time, you mix it. The second egg. Ensure it's well mixed. So this is the last egg. Ensure it's well mixed. Ensure each and every particle is well mixed for amazing results. After you're done with your eggs, you come in with your flour mixture. As you're noting, your brown Atta mix. And then you mix well. After this, you add in your mala. Wow, can't wait to finish baking it. So so as you can see, it's well mixed. Then I add my flavor. You can add your preferred flavor. As for me, I'm using vanilla because I like its taste. And our dough is done. It's done, so you transfer it in the pan. After you've put your dough in your preferred pan, you come and preheat your oven for like 180 degrees for 10 minutes. So it started to heat. Our oven has already preheated, so I set in my cakes. And then you close. You set your time around 50 minutes for 180 degrees. Allow it to proof, so you'll just set your lower heat and you're good to go. Our cakes are still cooking. They're proofing. Few minutes to time. Yeah, let's give it time. Just a few seconds. Less than 10 minutes. So let me set the last section whereby you're providing heat from down and up, okay, for 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Our last round, we're about to wrap it. So let's wait madakika yasonge. Wow, I already like the smell. The cinnamon smell. Is it scent? Yes, hey, whatever, that one. It's done. And finally, this is our product. Our cake looks like this. As you can see, it's brown in color. Inanuka to your brownness here. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and also share with your friends. Tell them to come and subscribe. Thank you so much.